Hey guys, this is James. Have you been struggling with your fingerprint scanner not reading properly? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Let's get into it. Do you feel the buzz? Okay, we're back. So this is the scanner that I'm gonna go over today. It's the U.are.U 4500 from DigitalPersona. This little guy here. I'm gonna show you how to clean this. The scanner itself is only as good as the quality of the enrollment. This scanner is a very good scanner. It's a very good quality scanner. The only time that I found that it doesn't work is if for whatever reason it's dirty and just needs to be cleaned, or maybe your fingers are dirty and those need to be cleaned. So those are the two variables that are out of control of the hardware and the software inside the scanner, is that the environment that it's in may not be best suited for it, especially if you're trying to use it for construction, that type of thing, or auto mechanic where hands are just beat to death. I mean, the fingerprints can be worn off if you're doing roofing or that type of thing, or working with concrete. Forget about it. I mean, it's not going to work because those fingerprints change all the time. If you find that it's not working or it's not reading your finger, it's not the scanner. It's the fact that it maybe has some dirt on it, so it needs to be cleaned. The enrollment is the same. Your finger probably hasn't changed. Just make sure you obviously wipe your hands if you're in a rough environment, but you shouldn't need to do that every time. What I would do is just grab a piece of tape. You can use masking tape, you can use packing tape, whatever. Just take off a little piece, and what I'm gonna do is just stick the tape right in here and try and work it into the corners. As you're applying the tape, work it down into the scanner area and then right in the middle there, and peel it off. That's all you have to do. It's gonna clean the scanner. It's gonna get any grime off there. It's gonna have a nice shiny reflection. So you should be able to scan your finger with no issues after that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and leave us a message in the comments below. Like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Do you feel the buzz?